Are you experiencing weak network signals or slow internet on your mobile phone? Are your calls unclear and does your battery drain quickly because your phone is constantly searching for a network? In this video, we will guide you on how to adjust your SIM card settings to improve connectivity, boost internet speed, and extend battery life. Note that some settings and options may vary depending on your phone model and operating system version. Step 1. Adjust APN settings for a more stable connection. Goal: configure your phone to connect to the best available network without continuous searching. Open Settings on your phone. Tap Connections. Select Mobile Networks. Tap Access Point Names. Choose the APN used for internet access, usually named after your carrier, e.g. Vodafone Internet, Orange Internet, Etisalat Internet. Scroll down and look for Bearer Settings. The default setting is usually unspecified. Disable this option. Select globally supported networks like LTE and newer technologies. Tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Save. Step 2. Change network mode for better call quality and internet stability. Goal: avoid weak networks like 5G in areas with poor coverage and use 4G for a stronger signal. Go back to the Mobile Networks menu. Tap Network Mode. Your phone is likely set to 5G, 4G, 3G, 2G auto, but in many areas 5G is unstable. It is recommended to select 4G only for better stability, as it can sometimes be faster than weak 5G signals. Step 3. Adjust authentication type to improve internet speed. Goal: select the best authentication type, PAP or CHAP, to optimize internet speed based on your service provider. Return to the Access Point Names APN menu. Select the APN used for internet access. Scroll down and tap Authentication Type. Or you will see the options PAP-CHAP or PAP/CHAP. What are PAP and CHAP? Authentication settings. Authentication settings determine how your phone verifies its identity when connecting to mobile internet. PAP, Password Authentication Protocol. A simple authentication method that sends your username and password unencrypted, making it faster but less secure. CHAP, Challenge Handshake Authentication Protocol. A more secure method using encryption and challenge response verification, but it may be slightly slower. PAP/CHAP allows the phone to select the best authentication method based on the network. Some users notice faster internet speeds with PAP, while others see improvements with CHAP. Test each option and measure internet speed using Google's speed test after each change. Once you identify the best option, tap the three-dot menu at the top and select Save. Final step: restart your phone to apply changes. Once your phone reboots, test your internet speed and network stability. Expected results: after applying these settings, checkmark. Clearer call quality. Faster and more stable internet connection. Improved battery life since your phone will no longer search for a network constantly. Additional tip: use a SIM card that supports 4G or 5G for maximum speed. Try switching your phone to airplane mode for 10 seconds and then turning it off to refresh the network connection. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends so they can benefit too.